hope you're doing well. I know a lot of stuff has been happening at the moment. It's been a while since I posted, but with everything happening with the death of George Floyd, the peaceful protests, the riots, and then the looting had happened, but that also, after all of that, as far as the riots and the looting had slowed down, other crimes did spike, where there was home invasions around me, there was carjacking, there was a lot of property theft, residential property theft, and armed robberies too. It got pretty ugly around me. And something else that also was not covered for us excuse me, was also in Chicago. There was a small race war that did erupt from the riot and the looting because of a very big misunderstanding. And so things were not that safe, you know. And so I did not have the time to be on social media and watching cute YouTube videos, you know, or finding inspiration. I do suffer from depression and anxiety. So even now I'm still busy. I have like 4 different apps for all neighborhood watch, so, you know, to keep up with whatever crimes are happening around me that I need to be aware of, you know, especially with work too and my family. So I have not done makeup in a very, very long time now. And pushing any content, any video, any posting, it didn't seem appropriate at all. So yeah, but I hope you're all doing well. Yeah, so this is just gonna be a real quick one, so let's do this. I know I look very fugly, as you can see, so I'm gonna take my Lumi eye drops, just 1 drop in each eye. Taking my concealer. Blend. I'm gonna take my foundation. Taking my bronzer.
Put this in the corner and hood.
Going in with my e.l.f. Healthy Glow bronzing powder. I'm just picking some up. There's a lot of fallout with that one, and I'm just gonna pack that all on the rest of my eyelid.
Going back in with a little bit of bronzer.
My highlighter, and we about to pop it. Don't you hate it when one comes out great and the other one looks shitty?
I think for today I'll just do a lipstick.